gotta mail all these out, so let's start. And also, man, that was a giveaway for Mello, man. Mello, man, bro, appreciate you, man. Mello won door lights. He won the last giveaway. And actually, let's do a new giveaway, man, because that was like for $850. I think I'm at like 950 subs now, man. So the 1,000 is coming up. Hold on, let me roll my window up. So let's do another giveaway, man. Let me figure it out real quick what we gonna do, man. I already got like the premise on kind of what I want to do, but let me just see real quick. Hold on. All right, so man, so real quick, man, I'm gonna tell you guys the giveaway, man. All right, man, I tried to make this video like 1,000 times, man, but I think I'm at the point now where it's like, man, I can't just, I don't know, like I don't know, man, just man, I want anybody to win, man, but I want the person to win who rock with me the most, man. So this is gonna be a way so I can tell who really rock with me is, you know, a little bit at least. Somebody comment down below the winner, and when I get to 1,000 subs, I'm gonna pick the winner. And how you win is, you tell me the years of both my cars, you tell me the rim size of both my cars. I got 2 Chrysler 300s. And I also want you to tell me your favorite Nipsey Hussle song. You know, and that's would be a way for me to, like, you know, try to get a gauge on who really rock with the channel and not just somebody just popping in because I put winner in the title and they, you know, put some numbers down below and they win. Then the person who really been watching the videos or whatever and bought some shit or watched the videos, they get screwed over, you know? So that's gonna be a way for me to like weed out, you know, whoever. But anyway, that's what it is, man. Comment down below my rim size and the years of my car and your favorite Nipsey Hussle song. If you get the same song that I like my favorite song, you automatically get 2 points, you know, but that'll still let me know who rock with, you know, what you rock with and what you like and all that type stuff or whatever. So yeah, man, comment down below. And also, I think I'm gonna start doing this on like more videos. I know my camera angle was tripping, I'm trying to drop, but I'm gonna do this on more videos. So like, even if I title like my stuff or something is about me getting tires or oil change, I'm gonna try to maybe throw some extra stuff in there, man. So, you know, we get some giveaways going, man, because I just think it's cool, you know, just winning something from somebody who you watching and not just watch them because they think they putting stuff up that everybody want to watch, you know. I want you to watch me because I'm giving something away. I want you to watch just because I might be doing something cool. I want you to watch so you can comment down below, all that. So I ain't gonna, you know, try to make it 2 ways, you know, 2-way street. But yeah, that's it. What else? Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I'm gonna post this video today. So right now I think I'm at like 950 subs or something like that. I mailed out all the keychains, so if you order key tag from me, it's coming, it's on the way. And what else, man? I think I have something else too.